the things that you'll notice is that as the fireworks begin to grow, you'll create new firework stitches from the legs of the stitch you created before. So we're ready to create the next set of fireworks, and we've already kind of concluded that last set. And to do that, we're going to just repeat the process, and you can kind of see where this is aligned. And I'm creating the next firework into the stitch just where that last one had ended. So I've done my firework, and you can see it's a little silly at the moment, but once it starts to expand out, you can really tell how nice it's going to look. So then we knit that stitch, and then we're going to have another firework. And hopefully seeing this process makes it kind of helpful to see how they start to grow and expand. So right now it doesn't look like much, but pretty soon, once we drop those double loops, you're going to be able to start to see how this is coming to life.